Stylish and comfortable are the best ways to describe the popular 2018 RAV4 all-wheel drive Limited. Features include roof rails, chrome door handles, and 18-inch alloy wheels. From the back, the RAV's sporty look continues with a color-matched rear spoiler, limited all-wheel drive badging, and shark fin antenna. The cargo area is spacious, with loads of room for extended road trips, and for added security, there's a retractable tonneau cover to conceal your gear. The Limited also features a cargo net and convenient power lift gate. The RAV4 XLE has a modern design with integrated turn signals in the mirrors, fog lights, and LED running lights. The cabin feels upscale with beautiful two-tone Softex upholstery, and features include dual-zone climate control, push-button start, power windows and locks, cruise control, heated seats, a power moonroof, tilt steering, and a premium JBL AM/FM sat radio audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. The RAV4 offers comfortable seating for 5, a passenger center console, and 60/40 fold-down seatbacks allow you to carry larger items or more luggage. Power comes from a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine coupled to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The 2018 RAV4 Limited continues to offer class-leading performance, safety, and reliability. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna.